Welcome back to my channel, everyone. In this video I will show you some other things to do to make your video searchable, either in YouTube search engine or on Google. You know, YouTube owns by Google. So here I'm going to show you the things that you need to do, the add up that you need to do to make your video itself searchable, or that they can use your video to trace your page or to locate your channel. So here I'm presently in Opera. As you can see, this is Opera. So I'm accessing my YouTube studio from Opera, not Opera meaning Opera. So there you go to studio.youtube.com. Now, before you upload any video, there are some things that you need to do. One, to make your account searchable, I've made a video about that. Go and watch that. And after that, you will go to your channel description. This is where you can locate the channel description. So you can locate your channel description. This is it, channel description. So that is for that. Then you go to, look at it, basic info. As you can see, wonder and word. Then the description. Here, this is the description. As you can see, you can copy what I write here to make your own. Hey everyone, this wonder on word, blah blah blah. Then after doing that, make sure the name of that your channel, make sure you put it like 4 times or 5 times in the description. Then after this one, what you need to do next is that in every video that you are uploading, after the title of the video or what the video is all about, make sure again you put your channel name in the video. I will give you an example. Let me go to YouTube Studio. I will use one of my video as an example. You will see what I'm saying. Now, this is one. Let me use this one. You see, after how to search for new YouTube channel on YouTube search engine, you see I put a slash, then and I put wonder on word. As you can see, wonder on word. So in every video that you are putting, you will be doing this same thing. After the title of what this video is all about, the title of the content that you are creating or the video that you are making, then you will now put this line. There is you can get it in your any keyboard that you are using. You will see it in the symbols. If you go to symbols, you will see this sign. Then you write you type the name of your channel, which is wonder on word, or anyone that your own may be. So after that, there's another thing you need to do. You will add tags. In any video that you are uploading, you will add tags. In that tags again, you will also put your YouTube channel URL. I've made a video on how to get YouTube URL, and the name of your channel again. You click on. So to get that, we go here. I'll click on edit. Then this is the tags right here. This is the tag. You see, wonder on word. Wow, there is wonder on word again. You can still add more if you want. Then I will just put let me just put wonder. Then to make it to tell YouTube that you are finished what you are typing, you need to use this comma. It's comma. So what I'm doing in this tag, normally we call it command. So if you want to end what you are typing, you will put comma. So this comma means that you are done with what you are typing.